When you're working with masses, every time you open and close the mass, Revit automatically turns off that mass. I don't know exactly why it does this, but my assumption is it's for speed, just to make things load faster. So if you want to get that mass back, you just want to type VG on the keyboard, or go up to View and go to Visibility Graphics. And we're just going to turn on mass. And then your masses reappear. The other thing that I wanted to go over is if you want to go into Edit Family, and if you want to select the various masses, just go to here to Filter, click Form, and if we want to change that material, I often change the material to gypsum or plaster or one of these things, and the reason why I do that is it kind of renders white, and that's just a good way to look at it in the Revit model. So I'm just going to load in project and close. I'm not going to save it. And that gives it a bit of a, I guess, shading appearance so that it won't look transparent. So I'm just going to do this with, just going to select all this, do the same thing. And that will go a long way in helping you with it. When it comes to the tower itself, for this project, you really want to assign, I'm just going to make this a little bit transparent just to make it easier to see right now. But for this tower, you're going to actually want to assign walls and face and floors and everything to every one of the parts of this building. So if you want to go into massing and site, you want to go to wall. We're just going to do a green wall here again. So that's supposed to be open. That's supposed to be a floor. And then this back here is supposed to be a wall. This is supposed to be a wall. Oh, not that, but you could, I guess, do both sides of this just in case there is some, yeah, there is a bit of a thickness there, so we'll do both. Yeah, I guess we'll do these as well just to keep it consistent. Yeah, and you can do these columns as well as walls. Just to finish it off. That way it all renders. Right now I'm just making this all the same wall type. You would likely want to go in and change those wall types. Just to have different wall types that respond to the different areas that we're dealing with. And then we just want to add some floors. So we're going to go up to massing and site. Actually, I think we have to finish this. No, we don't. Go to massing and site, we'll go floors. And then we'll we need to create some level lines for those floors. So we'll go to elevation for the tower, and we're going to want to create an elevation line in every place that there is a floor. And you know, up in here there might be one floor every 20 feet. I guess use your judgment to how that works. And then we'll go to mass floors, and we want to go to floors. So to mask the floors, you actually want to click this and then click mask floors, and then you want to select all the levels that the floors are on. And now when we go to floors, we can select all the various places that the floors are that intersect with the building. Let me try that again. There we go. So now you see that there's a floor inside the building. So those are kind of the steps you want to take to start modeling and making your mass, I guess, a little bit more real. So